In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can log in Gmail without verification code in just few easy steps. So I will show you that how you can recover your Gmail account or how to log in Gmail without a verification code. So first of all, open any Chrome browser profile and tap on sign in. Now you will see sign in on Chrome page. Simply enter your email address and tap next. After that, you will see a welcome page where you need to enter your password here. Instead of continuing normally, tap on try another way. Now here you will see different recovery options. First, simply enter your password if you have, and then you can use your passkey. If you don't have access to the passkey, tap on another way. Now first of all, choose your country code, then enter your phone number if you have one. If you don't have access to that number, don't worry, just tap try another way. For example, if you have two phone numbers linked to your Gmail, Google may ask you to verify using the second number. Tap try again another way. Now you will see the option how you want to sign in. Here Google may show you your recovery phone number linked to that account. If you don't have access to that either, simply tap try another way to sign in. Now you will see account recovery page. Google will say that verification code has been sent to your email. Again tap try another way. After that, you may see a message saying Google could not sign in because you didn't provide enough information to confirm that account belongs to you. Here you will see option called more tips to recover your account. Simply tap on it. Now you will see this type of page. From here, you need to continue with account recovery process. If none of these methods work, then your best option is to contact Google Support and provide additional information to get further assistance. So these were the steps to log in Gmail without verification code in just few easy steps.